Martin take off with a full count?
You bet.
He did. And Chipper slices one a long way down the left field line. Peterson on the run, sliding try, can't get it. Prado on his way to third. He's in safely. A blue pit for Chipper Jones, and that ties him with Lou Gehrig.
So the old gray mare just tied the iron horse. That's fitting. That's a lot of hits. And the only guy that's a switch hitter that has more hits than Chipper is Roberto Alomar, and he's closing in on him. I should say not the only guy. Eddie Murray had 3,000 hits, I believe, so he would move into second place, I believe, in that category.